Good afternoon, Boiler Room Trading. What's going on? It's Brandon. I'm here for another Elites recap. Finally coming up to hump day. It is Wednesday the 8th. Moving into here, we have the China deal, of course, trying to finalize here by the end of the week. Lots of sporadic, squeezy Trump tweet catalysts. It's no fun today, all over the place, but we have our handy-dandy weekly trend line to go off of, so we didn't get caught up too bad in any big reds. So let's get into it. So we're looking for SPY to kind of over under our 286.66 big old weekly trend line there. And as it broke down a few times, we kind of noticed it was higher lowing, even though we kept breaking that weekly. We were just higher lowing everywhere since the pre-market curl there, right? So we weren't I wasn't too biased in the short. Tried a couple scalps here just for the short breakdown here. Didn't really capitalize on any real notable gains, and then we started holding here. And after this last one, recovering view app, I said it'll probably squeeze pretty good. Then we had a nice little catalyst Trump tweet and deal tweet, and we were up and over, thus acting as support. Then looking for a support there, holding above the double bottom there at 287.90 was a good long and grind. So let's get into one of the bigger winners to the day. LYFT was on the main watch today on the short. So I called the premium entry was good. We were going to wait till 60. Well, right here, it went up to about 60.20. Double topped perfectly at 60.41. Limited entry. I got in a tad bit early on the squeeze up because I thought we were going to get a quick flush to pre-market lows, then go up to 69. So I was trying to scalp here. Took a small red. Then we just stalked it, waited, seen the big up. I ended up trading Facebook, which will go over next. So I kind of missed the first initial dump under 59.50. Didn't want to chase it down, so we just kind of waited to get to our next level here. This was our big level, 57.30. So right as it got down into here, LYFT, we just waited and waited and waited. We stalked it, found the resistance, started channeling up and down here. Took it at the first sign of the big wick rejection here. So I was in here right away at the short. Took a bunch of 56 contracts and just waited. We waited for the consolidation. It never broke over our 57.30s level, so we ended up coming down here quite nicely. Target was in the money break, so we covered right at the snap of 56, right at the bottom of this candle, covered for a really nice gain of, let me get this 100% accurate for you guys. I think it was over 30%. So locking in way over that, I think here, 56 puts. I just want to be 100% accurate here. Yeah, just under $200, 48.95%. So we locked in over 50-some%. It was just about just under $200 winner at the end of the day after the continued dump here. We took a PDT cover. So we're still making money as it goes down, just capping our profits to not super high. So super awesome monster move there on LYFT. Killed it there in the percentages. And then our next one was Facebook. We'll cover real quick because we didn't have any other trades besides that. It was a very choppy day, and the call was the recovery of this. We watched the 189 and some change for a long. We had that support and squeeze hold over, broke under, then ended up using it as a very nice support later day here. So a couple calls there in Facebook worked super well. We did a couple of Elites member trading Apple today. And they caught the beautiful long up over. I have a lot of my levels deleted on Apple from their video lesson today, so we don't have our levels housed, but we had a very nice reversal line and dip by here in continuation, capitalizing on a fantastic Apple call from one of our elite members as well. So that's about it today. We were watching Disney through earnings. I am long at the moment through Disney earnings. I took a bunch of 140 and 150 calls down here at the holding a view app. And on the second pullback down, that was the call there. So we're just holding through. Looks like we're doing okay. I think we'll be up. We'll do okay, all right? So we'll see what that ends up at tomorrow. That'll be a fantastic rest of the day. So I hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you bright and early in the morning. I'm out of here.